Okay everybody, welcome back. So, of course, it's going to look a little bit different and you already know what's going on from the title of this video. But I will be trying Ableton for the first time ever. Now I'm going to have a couple episodes of this. What I'll do is just make a beat pretty much. But the main goal is trying to be able to do everything I can do in FL inside of Ableton as well. I really just want to know whether there are benefits to doing certain things in different DAWs and stuff, and just sort of expand my skill range. Anyway, I'm going to start off by using some of these stock sounds. I think these are stock sounds, right? It seems like it. And I've also added my drum kits and one-shot packs if I need to use those. But I reckon I'll start with these instruments. I'll see where this beat takes me. Not really sure what I'm going for, but just gonna learn the ropes and see what I can do. So I found this nice little nylon guitar sound, and I've got a pretty cool chord progression. I think it's pretty happy with that, and I'll see what I can do with that. So I guess I'm gonna record it in. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get a metronome up or anything. I don't know what these do. Range. This is going to be super embarrassing. Okay, I figured it out. It's this button here. I did have to use the help thing. That might be a frequent issue I run into. But I think now I've got a better chance at actually recording something. So I'll try and record that in. So I recorded it in. Didn't need that section because it took me way too long to start recording. And how do I get to a piano roll now? Double click, perfect. Ooh, that's a bit small. There we go, much better. Now let's quantize this. Please be Control Q. No, that's quit. Why would that be quit? How do I quantize? Quantize, here we go. And then how do I legato these? So I'll do that up until there. And then is it Control L? No. Oh, legato, here we go. Perfect. I want to make this like, I want to take this section here, like that whole section, and like, oh hang on, can I select? Yeah, so this section, I want this to be, oh hang on. Can I copy that? And then like take that there. Nope, I can't. Cool. I know there's a way I can, oh perfect. What's that? Duplicate, Control D. Perfect. Is it the same thing? If I edit one of them, does it edit all of them? That's another question I've got. Because what I want to do is take this, this. Control C. Control V, and then shift those down. Is that an octave? Yeah. And then like this. Perfect. Well, it doesn't edit all of them. That's not fun, but you can do that. And then Control D. Perfect. Now I've got to find a pad or something. Okay, so I found this pad sound. Pretty happy with that. Oh, it's an organ, I guess. And I've just taken the bass notes and laid that under the guitar. And I think this first 8 bars will be my intro, and then I'll bring the drums in here. So I'll just play this. And then you can sort of hear the drums coming in there. Definitely got a bit of effect work to do on this. I'm not sure how that's even going to begin to start, but we'll see. Now I'm going to try and use like how Kenny Beats and stuff do their kicks and claps and all that, Ramzoid and all that, where they put it out here instead of using a drum rack, I think is what the instrument is. But like, I'm going to try and lay them out on the playlist, which is what I don't often do, so we'll give that a shot. But I'll find my drum sounds now. I don't like not being able to click shift and then drag a new one. If there's a way to do that, I'm going to have a look at some stage. I'm pretty happy with how that's sounding now though. Find some hats and stuff, maybe some perks in a sec, but it's very, very basic so far. Now, how do I automate volume? Because I want to make this whole track quieter. Start show automation, so it's already there. Okay. I'll start it there. Can I just drag it down like that? Okay, that seems actually kind of nice. Okay, pretty happy with that. Maybe some perks or rims or something. New audio track. This is a bit annoying. I don't like that. It's not very fast with the drums, is it? Well, for me at least. This is really... Oh, I can group these somehow. How do I select the most multiples? Like this. Group tracks. That's one group. And can I hide that group? Yes! I figured out how to do it, but I missed the perk. Whoops. Now, MIDI track for a Spins 808. And pretty much what I'll do is copy this MIDI here. This is F3, but it sounds too high. This is weird, man. Control up? No, it's shift up. I'll chop these up now. Is there a chop tool? There's got to be a chop tool. Or is it draw tool? B. No way it makes me do this. Pretty happy with how this is sounding right now. Got this nice 808 pattern going. I'm gonna start on the mixing, I guess, and then I'll get to the arrangement in a bit. Classical compression. Now, see if I can figure out... There's no way I'll figure out how to... RMS, that's not it, right? Expand? No. Auto release? No. Sidechain. Here we go. Wait, this is so easy. This is so much better. I figured it out. So it's the threshold and I guess the ratio, but the threshold is the main one, I think. Perfect. Close that one. How do I make it small? There we go. So I've got to say right off the bat, not a big fan of how the audio effects, they're like all presets. Is that a thing? Or is there a way to get around that? Because I really don't like that. Okay, realised my first problem. Tried to drag this sample in. Number of tracks limited to 8 in this version of Live. Bit annoying. I'll live with it. We'll see. But arrangements are going alright so far, just adding some breaks and stuff. But we'll get through that pretty soon. Cool. How can I tell how long my track is? Okay, figured it out. I'm just blind. It's down here at the bottom. How did I not spot that? Is there a way to... If I could render these two out to audio, that'd be cool actually. Can I render those two out to audio? I've got to be able to do that. I think... Okay, I've had a look and I think I know how to do it, sort of. I'm gonna try it out outside of this video. But I think I'm buggered if I've got too many tracks already. So this one, 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 and this one. I'm full. So I can't add the audio track, which is what I'm supposed to do, I think, because I'm supposed to add an audio track and then resample, I think. Now, how do I automate the mix level of a plugin? Okay, I understand how to make it, but this should not be this difficult. Also, I watched a tutorial and the guy had dark mode, so that's going to be my next mission. So I right click that, map to macro 1. Ah, there we go. Okay. And then chain selector. Okay. So chain selector is my dry wet knob for this plugin. There, perfect. And then I drag like that. And then. Oh, that's so hard. That was definitely worth making a chain selector. What? Why does it have to be so difficult to just do that one simple thing? Almost finished with this beat, I think. Just got to arrange this out pretty simply. Okay, I'm pretty much done, I think. I'm not going to lie, I'm very happy with how this has turned out. Surprisingly happy. I don't know how to get rid of these easily. Oops, no, just don't show me anything, please. So, I think I'll just play the beat for you now. Bring it back to the front. I'll probably do something cool with the visuals here because I want to keep it interesting. I don't know how to make the width different. Oh, actually, no, I do. Height, there we go. So the height's normal now. Okay, cool. I'm very happy with how this turned out. Surprisingly happy. Here's my first beat of many in Ableton.